intoxicate me. Just like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Suddenly I'm a fiend and you're all I need.
Hi everyone, so for this video I wanna do Chatty Get Ready With Me. I wanna do Inspired Look by Camila Cabello. So yeah, I don't know how it goes, so let's just get started. I will start from the eyes. I wanna zoom you in. Okay, first thing that I wanna do with my eyes, I wanna prime. Of course, I'm using NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone. Oh, usually I do this Chatty Get Ready With Me on my vanity, but my vanity is a mess, so I'm doing it like a tutorial style. But this is not a tutorial. I don't know how it goes. Usually if I do tutorial, I practice before. So the idea of Camila Cabello inspired look is she always has like thick smudgy eyeliner, like wing liner, like it's so thick and smudgy. It's so cool. I've never like nailed it, so I wanna try that right now. So now I'm just gonna set my eyeshadow base with my powder. And she always has like really natural skin. She doesn't really wear much makeup. Okay, I think I wanna use this Zoifa Cool Spectrum palette. She always do shimmer lid, like she always do like light shimmer on the lid and then smudgy liner. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how it goes. I wanna take this shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. When I buy this Zoifa palette, I didn't think I will love it. I don't really like cool tone, but it's actually really pretty. Like I use it a lot and it comes in handy. Like I don't know why I always grab this. Okay, I wanna take this shade and just make a definition on my crease. Okay, now I think I wanna take this shade, this light shimmery shade, and put it all over my eyelid. Okay, now I'm taking this eye definer by the Body Shop and try to make wing thick liner, but I don't really mind to mess it up because I will like clean the edge. I wanna make it like a base, if you know what I mean. So now I'm just gonna take black eyeshadow and just smudge it around that. Okay, now I think I wanna take like more precise brush and just make wing liner. Now the reveal time, which is clean the edge. It looks so smudges. I really like this. Okay, now I wanna take the same liner and just put it on my tight line. Okay, now I wanna curl my lashes. I wanna put some mascara that is not cruelty free, so I won't show this mascara. Oh, by the way, I have so much sample mascara that is not cruelty free, so I'm trying to finish them all so I can buy mascara that is cruelty free. I really love this eye look. I think it's like elongate my eyes like Camila. I really like this. Okay, I wanna take this two shade and just put it on my brow bone. Okay, now let's get into the face. Okay, first thing that I wanna do is I wanna prime it. I think Camila always look matte mostly, but she has a little strong highlight. But the rest of the face it's pretty matte, so I'm just gonna use Spark Filler primer. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm using the Body Shop Moisture Foundation. It doesn't really cover much, so I'm using this, and this is what I use for every day. It can build up to medium, but I'm using it lightly. I don't really wanna like cover much because I think Camila has really light foundation on. Like she doesn't really have too much going on the face. My god, it's getting darker, so I'm just gonna speed my process. Like it's been raining lately, like I cannot film if it's raining because I use natural light. Like okay, now I'm just gonna use concealer and just highlighting. this concealer is not really like different with my skin tone. It's not really that highlighty, if you know what I mean. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend all of this. Okay, oh my god, it's getting darker. I'm like confused. Okay, so now I wanna set all over my face with the powder. Oh my god, I haven't blended on my chin. I wanna set all over my face with my powder. Okay, now I'm just taking bigger brush and set all over my face because Camila really have matte look, so I think I'm gonna set it a little bit than I usually do because I usually just lightly set all over my face. Okay, so now I'm taking my matte bronzer that is not cruelty free, so I'm not gonna tell you what it is. A little bit contour but not really. Okay, but I wanna use it as a contouring to my nose. Oh, it's raining. I'm trying to finish up fast now. Okay, for the blush, Camila has a little like rosy pink cheek, but not too much. So I'm just gonna take this Beckett blush by the Body Shop in the shade Coral, just slightly on my cheek. Okay, for the highlight, I'm taking Puff on Radiance. I'm so sorry, it's raining. Okay, now I wanna moving into the eyes again. Okay, for the eyes, I wanna take this shade again and just put it all over my lower lash line. I don't think Camila have really much going on the under eye area, so I'm just gonna keep it lightly. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put the eye definer on my waterline. I'm not really bringing it to the inner corner. I'm just put it on the outer corner and put some mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, I wanna take the same eyeshadow and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, now I'm done with the eyes. Let's get into the lips. Okay, now for the lips, I only wanna use this tint that is not cruelty free, but it's really natural like Camila. Okay, I'm done. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you in the next video.
I'll never be the same. Sneaking in LA when the lights are low. Off for one touch, I could overdose.